Welcome back. Let's go ahead with our exercise. Gathering data from different years and different sheets on a single sheet is crucial. It allows the user to classify all the data in a coherent way when attributing a P&L category. Let's go ahead with our example, and this will be clearer by the end of the exercise. In order to have 3 years' data on the same sheet, we need to copy the codes for each line item in each of the 3 years. We copy the codes for 2016. We copy the codes for 2017. And finally, we will copy the ones for 2018. Okay, so we have the codes for all 3 years in the same sheet. This is good. We need to deal with one issue, though. Many of the codes are contained more than once in our selection, as there are many accounts which appear more than once throughout the years. We need to have each single code only once in our selection, without any duplicates. Fortunately, there is a great Excel function which allows us to do this easily. This is very important because later we will use SUMIF, and codes will be our if criteria. If a single code is found twice in the range, this will cause double counting. Let's select the range of values, and then go to Data on the menu bar, where we shall select Remove Duplicates. Select column B only. Click OK. Now we have a range of values which does not contain duplicates. Thanks for watching.